Welcome back to another media review. Today we're looking at some tourist flyers from the Zippo Case Visitor Center and Museum. So let's go ahead and take a look. Two of these are duplicates. So this is actually in Bradford, Pennsylvania. Let's take a look at this one first. And this is just basically a single card. You can see the stock photos here. The outside of the visitor center has a large Zippo lighter on the roof there. This is actually a 12-foot Kodiak knife, and we used to be on top of this case car right there in this display. Celebrity models, tribute to American heroes, animation there, audio kinetic, ball machine, lots of displays of hundreds, if not thousands, of lighters on site, a location map. Location is actually a combination of the Zippo lighter and case knife, which is W.R. Case and Sons Cutlery Company, now a Zippo subsidiary at the time. So feel free to research current visiting hours and their schedule, and any special events that might be going on, if any. And they do, of course, have a well-stocked gift shop with many items that you can choose from. So again, the Zippo Case Visitor Center card. Here we have also an actual flyer from the Zippo Case Museum. This actually is a flag made of individual lighters. So this is actually quite a massive display on site. Just one of many that they have here. So as we open this up, we'll start with George Blaisdell. The story of J. Russell Case. So that's the brief history of both companies there. Here we have a sample display of knives and lighters. Again, I encourage you to visit the actual museum. It is quite interesting. This says Zippo Case Store is the only place in the world that sells the complete line of Zippo and Case products, plus apparel, accessories, books, Zippo fashion, Italian leather bags, Ronson products, and more. So you can see there. I mean, there's just displays that look like that all throughout the building. So again, not just hundreds, but thousands of lighters on display. All the individual models, some custom, limited edition, commemoratives, models that have been created and phased out. So if you look at the back cover, and the map location, contact information at the time, GPS coordinates, and this is from 2011. So again, this information is a little bit dated, so feel free to research current current information on the Zippo Case Museum, also known as the Zippo Case Visitor Center. This has been another media review. Feel free to check out other book review media reviews on the channel. We also do unboxing videos as well as show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and other expanded topics. We also do a series Curios for the Curious. Videos are more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.